There are 5 major items that we use to create budgetary quotes for new projects. The first one would be the dimensions. We need the X, Y, and Z. This will help determine how many parts we can fit in a single chamber load. The second item would be how many masking points. Are there ground pads or connectors, moving parts, or just areas that need to make sure that they are Parylene free. The third thing would be the annual volume. This is going to determine how many runs we need in a given week, month, or year. Fourth is going to be the location of manufacturing. Is this something that absolutely needs to be coded in the US or China or Mexico or Vietnam? Or if it doesn't matter, we can look to see what's going to make the most sense for you and your product. And then the final item would be the use case or environment. Are these parts going to be inside the body or in a server farm or somewhere where there's corrosive gases or salt fog or things like that? And that's going to help us determine the thickness and type of Parylene coating that's going to best protect the product.